Yeah, and if you can support small farms. We buy our meat only from the small farms or from the hunters, from the wild. Yeah. And then we are like feeding each other, supporting each other. And this is good for the land, for the soil, this regenerative farming, not this meat manufacturer. And do it with love, with gratitude that this land have produced this amazing source of energy, life energy that heals and repairs and saved our lives. Peace.